Hi guys, Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and we're going to be talking about the different exterior colors on boats and exactly how you get them. Whaler is known for their really beautiful paint jobs. Larger boats, that's a paint, okay? It's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but you are gonna get the most vibrant colors, those really beautiful colors that make the boat pop. Typically when there's a smaller boat and it's gonna have a color, you're gonna have gel coat. Now this is light blue, I've seen gray gel coat. You know, you're not gonna be able to have that color wheel, but the gel coat's typically what you're gonna see done. Now over here, there's nothing wrong with a white boat, especially in Florida. I like the lighter colors, and hey, I think that it's classy and it's original. Now, how are some other ways that people are gonna add some flair to a boat besides paint, besides gel coat? Nowadays, you're seeing wraps come into the mix, and you can wrap whatever color you want. Gets wrapped on. In 5 years, when you go to sell the boat, or less, you take that wrap off, and it's nice and fresh underneath, and it's also gonna come in at a little less money than a paint job. So, wraps, paint, gel coat, your choice. Bye guys.